close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
हाय, हाउ आर यू? पहचाना मुझे? मैं एकता जैन। आई नो आपने कभी मुझे इस अवतार में देखा नहीं है, बट आई एम रियली हैप्पी टू शो यू दिस माई न्यू अवतार विच आई एम नॉट एट ऑल, जो मेरे कैरेक्टर से, जो मेरे बिहेवियर से कम्प्लीटली ऑपोजिट है। ऑल थैंक्स टू खुशनुमा। खुशनुमा, प्लीज कम। शी इज खुशनुमा, और दिस all beautiful things done by her. So Kushnuma,
at all.
please tell my fans and my friends कि ये कैसे look आपको दिमाग में आया और क्यों आया?
So, hello everyone. My name is Kushnuma, and I have been I have known Ekta for a very long time, and I know the kind of person she is. बहुत चुलबुली, always smiling, always मस्ती खोर. So I wanted to do something very, very different from what she actually is. And that's what I kept telling her when she, when we first got talking and she told me what she wants to wear. I said, let me give you a makeover which is absolutely not you. So we all know that Ekta is very, very, happy and all the time bubbly. So I wanted to do something different for her, and I wanted her complete makeover. So I wanted to do something for her which she's never done before, and hence this look. So yeah, and I think she's looking great. She's looking
मैं
gorgeous.
एक्चुअली समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि मैं क्या बोलूं, बिकॉज मैंने आज तक जिंदगी में कभी ऐसा अवतार नहीं लिया है, क्योंकि आप जितने लोग मुझे फॉलो करते हैं सब मुझे जानते हैं कि मैं एक सिंपल सी इंडियन, टिपिकल इंडियन फेस वाली
And that's
लड़की,
what I wanted to break.
टिपिकल इंडियन ज्यादा करती हूँ, एंड या तो फिर विदाउट मेकअप रहती हूँ. एंड फर्स्ट टाइम मैंने इतना ज्यादा मेकअप किया और इतना ज्यादा ग्लैमरस लुक दिया है. सो खुशनुमा, आप मुझे बताइए कि मेरे लुक में आपने कैसे कैसे क्या क्या चेंजेस किया.
So I have not really changed much about Ekta. I have kept her very much the way she is in terms of product. I have just given her a very, very smoky look. जो उसने, I don't think I've really seen you in a full-on smoky, so I've given her that. And also keeping the season in mind, I wanted to do something very Christmassy, something very glamorous, something very Western. So I thought it would be best with the sequences to give her a nice smoky look. So I've kind of played around with the eyes, and also keeping her lips very, very nude, so that the focus feature is on eyes, because nowadays we all know that we've been wearing a mask. So there is no point in really doing a lip and doing a focus feature on the lips. I said, why not play with the eyes? So I've given her a smoky look, and also keeping the smokiness in mind. This is just a technique that I've followed of giving her a smoky look. She could add any color that she likes, blue, green, brown, anything that she likes to create this look. So I thought, why not do that with her?
Wow.
So I've done that.
मतलब आप ऐसे बता रहे हो कि जैसे मैं खुद कुछ करने वाली हूँ, बिकॉज मुझे कुछ नहीं आता ये सब मेकअप एंड दे आर एक्सपर्ट, तो इसलिए मैंने इनको बुलाया कि बीइंग एन एक्सपर्ट आप मुझे बताइए मैं कैसे पार्टी में अच्छी लग सकती हूँ. सो हियर आई एम. सो खुशनुमा, मुझे बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगा आपके साथ काम करके, एंड मैं सच में बताऊं कि मैं एक्चुअली जब मैंने फर्स्ट अपने आप को देखा, मैं प्रॉपर गूज बम में थी कि मैं ऐसी दिख सकती हूँ, बिकॉज मैंने आज तक कभी अपने आप को इस तरह नहीं देखा है. एंड यू कैन सी आई एम स्टिल लाइक ओके, माई हार्ट स्टिल पाउंडिंग कि मैं क्या कर रही हूँ कि मैं ऐसी दिख सकती हूँ. बट एनी विच वेज, थैंक यू. तो मैं बहुत अच्छी लग रही हूँ, बहुत सुंदर लग रही हूँ. आई एम गोइंग टू एंजॉय दिस मोमेंट. आई एम गोइंग टू क्लिक सम नाइस फोटोग्राफ्स विथ हर, एंड वी आर गोइंग टू हैव अमेजिंग टाइम, बिकॉज कुछ चेंजेस भी हैं. सो कीप स्टेइंग ऑन दिस प्लेस.
Stay tuned for more.
सो खुशनुमा, अपने इंस्टाग्राम पेज के बारे में बताइए. इट्स लाइक kush.mua. सो प्लीज inform the followers. Kush.
Yes, that's kush.mua, and you'll see all kind of work on my profile, from bridals to editorials to fashion shoots, and also some of my work, my personal work, and also a lot of informative videos jahan pe I'm talking about makeup products, brushes, how to achieve a certain look, and foundations for your complexion type, and all of that. So my page is kush.mua, that is KHUSH.MUA. So do follow me for all the latest trends and updates on fashion and makeup. Thank you.